Hello! I'm not happy today. I always greet you and say hello, I'm not happy. So look at this. This is an open pit mine. Itong open pit mine na copper. And yung price of copper went down. So iniwanan lang under care and maintenance. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong klase care and maintenance ginagawa nila. Kasi yung permissible acidity is pH 1. I mean, the worst acidity is pH 1, yung neutral is 7, and this is 2. Yeah? And this kind of acidity, pH 2, can melt, pwedeng tunawin yung propeller ng barko. So that's what we have here. Okay, so when it rains, this goes there, komunidad na doon nakatira. So ano man yung buhay nila, yung palaya nila. Tapos iniwanan lang ito ganito, nakakapera na sila, yung presyo ng copper went down tapos iniwanan ganito. Sabihin mo sa akin, tama ba or mali? Or mali or mali? It's like really bad. Yeah. I feel really bad about it because for me, I don't even think it's greed. It's greed. It's also cruelty. Really bad. Really bad. You're killing everything. And the worst thing here is that this open pit is going to be a financial liability to government because we have to take care. No? And this is the most scary thing. It's going to be here forever. Forever. Like forever. Eternally. And it's going to be a financial liability to government. So who's going to take care? You know, they made their money from the copper, then they go and then they leave this. Then what? Then what? You know, activities like this kill the economic potential of the country. Kill it. And it's the government's duty to make sure that this doesn't happen. It's actually in the nasa Mining Act, nasa Philippine Constitution. This is against the law. It's against the law. Yeah. So you tell me, it's really bad. And we have many open pits here in the country. They call them legacy mines. You abandon it and then you leave it there. Then what? You abandon it, then what? Ano mangyayari dito? Sino mag-aalaga? It's gonna be there forever and a day. Yeah. It's really bad. I feel really sad. I'm trying to be peaceful and not angry. But it's really bad. Yeah, it's bad. Okay, so we'll go there.
Ma'am,